guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to make a quick video on these fender vents because I wanted to kind of just show what is how you install them, the clips that you need for them, etc, etc, and just kind of help someone else who maybe was looking for this information but really couldn't find it online. So as you guys can see, this is a Mazda OEM fender vent. I have mine off right now because I was missing the clips, the fasteners, and a whole bunch of other little things I needed to install it onto the car. And this is where you install it. It goes right here. So let me go ahead and show you what's going on with the back. Alright, so as you can see, there's 4 like mounting holes, and then there's this slot right here. Okay, and how this works is these mounting holes on the front, let me use this, these mounting holes up here on the front are for like alignment holes, so they guide the vent into the fender. These back here actually are set up to hold this retaining clip. Okay, so I had to order these retaining clips because all of mine were broken. I had to order 4 of them. So the other side's done, it's installed, but I wanted to show you this one before I installed it. So you order these retaining clips from Mazda. They're like, I think $2 a piece. Then I went to J.E. Rice or True Value and I got these screws. So you just pop them on, you screw them down, and you're almost ready to install it in the car. What you do need to do though is you need to install one of these fender like vent, I don't really know what this is called. It's like a tensioner piece. And so how it gets installed is it goes like this. Okay, that's what the slot was for. And then you just push it down and you'll hear it click. There it is. That's one side. Alright. Alright, so now it's in. Sorry if I didn't get that on video, but you press down really hard and you clip it into place. Alright, and now you are ready to install the fender vent. So let me bring this over here. Alright, so here's the hole for the fender vent. Let's try and get a little bit more light. Alright, that's probably better. So what you're going to do is you're going to install this clip inwards like this, and then you are going to line up all the holes, and then you're just going to press it in. That is all there is to it. So here we go. One-handed, it's a little bit harder, and there it is. Completely installed, and it's all set. I hope this helped people. I know it was kind of like a silly quick video, but I wanted to show people exactly what you needed and the hardware that you needed to really install stuff like this back in. I've been going through online manuals, PDFs, finding all the part numbers for all the silly trim things and little mounting accessories that I needed, and it's been hard, and ordering some of this stuff and having to pay some of the shipping fees has been a pain, but it's worth it in the end. So like here, for example, these wiper grommet cover pieces, what is this called? The wiper cover piece, all these little insert clips, you know, I had to order them separately. They're all like $2 a piece. And then the I need to order the clips for my side marker lights, stuff like that. So it's just been a heck of a journey, and you know, I'm finally sorting out everything on the car. So getting this vent mounted in here and doing the other one on the other side, it's nice to see the car, you know, almost 100% back together. Still need to bleed the brakes, and then the car will be done. But thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. More updates to come soon. I got another install video. I think you guys already know what it's going to be about. Alright, talk to you guys soon.